Hey friend, this is Rajiv and welcome back to another video from our channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about how we can migrate a WordPress blog from one hosting to another. Sometimes you're not happy with your current hosting or you want to scale up your site. The biggest nightmare that we have that time is how to move our site, how things gonna settle in the new hosting, how to set up stuff in the new hosting. This video might be helpful to migrate your site, but before that, make sure your DNS is propagated for the new hosting. So the migration process will have 4 stages. The first one is create a backup for your current website, then download the backup, then upload the backup to your new host, and restore the backup that you took from the old host. For the whole process, I'm going to use Duplicator plugin. You may find a lot of other plugins, but I found that Duplicator is the best among the lot. So let's go to my computer screen and see how we can do that. So as you can see, this is my WordPress admin panel. Let me go to Duplicator and click on package. Here I'm going to create a new package which is like a backup for my current site. Click on create new. And then give a name for the backup. Once you get a name, click on next. So the system will scan for any possible issues. You can see it's all green, or there is some warning which you can ignore. After that, click on yes and start the building process. It might take about 2 to 3 minutes depending upon how big is your website. So the build is completed. Now we have 2 files. Download both the files. The one is the installer and one is the archive. Both are required for the new hosting. So this is my FileZilla FTP. I'm going to use that to transfer both the files to my new hosting. So at the top you give the new IP address that you got from the new hosting, give your username, password, and make sure the port is 21, and click on quick connect, and then copy both the files to the desired location. If you're going to use the main domain, then you have to copy the files in public_html. If you're going to use some add-on domain, you have to copy in that folder. So in my case, I have copied to the add-on folder, which is rehanceclub.com. So after some time, you'll get a message that the transfer is completed. After that, go to your browser and type your website address, which is rehanceclub.com. If you have any issues, then remove the www. Then click on the installer.php. So this is the process to install the WordPress in your new hosting. As you can see, all is green, so you can check the button and click next. There might be some warning for the PHP, so you can just ignore that. And during the process, you have to create an SQL database that is required for the WordPress. So go to your cPanel and create a database. So let me create a user. So the password should be strong enough. Once the user is created, then you have to link the user to our new database. So alright, we have linked our user to the database and gave all the privileges. Now let's go to setup screen and click on next. Leave all this option as it is. So here you have to give the host name and what should the action that Duplicator should take, and the database name, database user, and database password that we recently created. Again, don't touch any options if you don't know what you are doing, and at the end click on test database. If everything is fine, it will give a green signal. Then click on next, and then it will run the installer. Here you can give your new website URL, you can give the title, and there are a couple of other options that you can fill. So here you can give your new WordPress admin account, username and the password. Give your email ID, the first name, last name, which is required, to retrieve the password at a point of time. And then click on next. So it's done, then click on admin panel. So here you can give your admin user ID and password and try to log in. Oh, looks like I gave a wrong password, so let me correct the password. Now let me go to my new website address, that is classclub.com, and check how things are working there. So here you go, our website is migrated to reactcode.com from GeekyByte.in. So friends, that's how you can migrate a website from one hosting to another. I hope you got some help from the video. If you got some help, then please like our video, then please share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.